Hello everyone, and today I'm going to talk about the sampling for stocks with growth potential during this special time. And I will focus on the stock list and with S&P 500, and we will do a 5 out of 500 sampling randomly and compare the trend and to see whether it will fit into our profile for growth. So that's the idea behind this video. Let's take a look at the procedures I'm going to proceed with. And first, I'm going to load the packages that I'm going to use to find the list of the S&P 500 companies. So it need a little bit web scraping, and it's a fairly straightforward. And there is a very good website you can go and learn. I will post it following the video. First, let's loaded the RVest package and the quant mode package. Um, Wikipedia, that's the web page we're going to extract the company's data list. Let's read the HTML and the files, and let's also uh, focus on the table we're going to use. And here we extracted the data. We can also write the data into a CSV file or into Excel directly, but now we are going to skip it for this. And let's check what we got here from this Wikipedia web page. It's a little bit too much info. We will only select the three columns, and which is the symbol and the company's name and the sector it belongs to, so we can roughly know what kind of a businesses they're doing or they're in. um, let's take a look at the first few companies. You see that's a 3M and the abbreviation. To be honest with you, there's quite a lot of companies and never be aware of that, like in healthcare, information, PLC, information technology. Um, let's quickly take a look at this data extracted is a data frame as we expected. Also, we can check how many rows or how many companies in this. We see the roughly 500, 505. Well, we can sample five, select randomly five stocks out of this. It's like almost 1% of these S&P 500 index listed companies. And we will check. That's the kind of the number or the index in a table. We will sample to check what companies we're selecting. Well, here we see it's fairly principal financial group. There are also some Cisco. So that's the five symbols or companies we're going to take a brief look today. Let's build a new environment here, and we will get all the stocks data from 2015 until last Friday or the Friday. And we'll take a look, and we'll take some pause. And these data all loaded in environment and all. Let's plot it in a batch. And so here the drawback is only show the stock, but did not show the company's name. But we know we have 5 companies, and we can go back like 5 steps and to take a log. So to in order to match the company's name with the train, we can print the company's name again, take a look. You see here the first one, Principal Financial Group. Um, that's a fit to the profile with the COVID-19. That's around like a March 2020. It's a recovery very steadily upwards, and so that's a good sign. And then let's go to the next company. It's Gardner Incorporation for Information Technology. Well, we will see, and but it has a fairly also have a fairly kind of a resilient recovery rebound. But here we can see this company has quite a fluctuation. Not very sure. It's a kind of uncertainty too high for this one. Well, let's take another look at the key corporation. Well, it's this is a financial company. It's like this is a this is a dramatic plummeting. Um, well, the next company we'll take a look. It's a Cisco. So it's a fairly to say it's before these last year it has the training down um, uh, like a potential, not then the COVID-19 kind of make it worse. Then it bounced back a little, but not too bad. But in terms of a recovery, probably need some longer time. And so take a look at the last company on the list. So Stryker Corporation is just also in the healthcare. We see here is two financials on one healthcare. Well, see, this has a kind of a like a very typical pattern here. It's just plummeting, then rebounding back. So that's overall. Well, I don't see any winners uh, from the this these except Cisco and the except the Cisco and this one is the Gardner. Yeah, the other three, the PFG, the Key, and the Skylar Corporation. These are 3 feet. The kind of a common pattern, and but not very sure with the Gardner and the Cisco system. It looks like even without this pandemic, it also has its inherent fluctuations for some reason. It's worth our attention and to investigate more into their performances. Well, today I'm going to stop here. Hope you have some get some clue or hints from my video. See you next time. Thank you.